What can you say about Lima Machinery's machine now? I think the machine has given you what you wanted now. The machine has given you results. So your feed is floating.
Okay. We are here in Gangdao, district of Thies&Sokone. We have buy this machine from Lima Machinery in China from Lilian. And it's about 4 months. This machine doesn't work, and we can really give us the number of the engineer. We know his name. It's Mr. Senegal. It's from Nigeria and come here to Senegal to help us. And now we have 100% of floating. And that was our problem. But now our contact is that we have a lot of wheat flour, and we doesn't know whether if we decrease the wheat flour, whether it will work like this or not. But the question, we give it into Senegal.
Okay, no problem. I will adjust the formula for you again. Then you see the result at the end of the day.
Yeah.
It's going to be good.
Why I ask that? Because the juvenile is different from the adult.
I understand.
What the juvenile needs of protein is different from what the adult needs of
I understand.
And we need some time to adjust.
I understand everything about fish farming. I know much about fish farming. So I'm going to help you. Then at the end of the day, you will bring other of your colleagues to come and patronize a Lima Machinery, where they definitely see the result.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, you can add more feed.